The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 5:8. If there are 25 boys, how many are girls? Okay, so set up lang natin ang ratio and proportion natin. So sulat natin yung boys and girls. So ang ratio daw ng boys to girls ay 5:8. Then the question is if there are 25 boys, so lagyan natin dito yung 25 boys, how many are girls? Lagyan natin ito ng variable n. So from this, pwede na tayong mag-set up ng proportion natin. So we have 5:8 equals 25:n. So to solve for n, marami tayong way para isolve ito. Pwede tayong mag-product ng extremes equals product ng means. So that is equal to 5n equals 8 times 25. So ang gagawin ko dito, hindi ko muna i-multiply. Unahin natin yung divide both sides by 5. So cancel 5. N is equal to, unahin yung divide 25 divided by 5. That is equal to 5. Tsaka natin i-multiply 8 times 5. That is equal to 40. So the correct answer is letter C, 40. Or dito pa lang sa ating dito pa lang sa table natin, so makikita na agad natin 5 naging 25, so that means times 5 lang yan. So therefore yung 8 i-multiply lang din natin sa 5 dahil direct proportion nga. So 8 times 5, 40. Okay, so ganoon lang kasimple. Follow for more.